Hello, everyone. There comes a moment in every child's life when they stand at the edge of something unfamiliar, hesitating, uncertain, and quietly wondering, am I capable of this? It is not always a grand stage or a visible test. Sometimes it is a silent struggle, a difficult problem, a new experience, or the fear of not being good enough. And in that small, almost invisible moment, a choice is made to step back or to step forward. It is in this very choice that the foundation of confidence, resilience, and growth is laid. Life presents such moments to every child. Sometimes it looks like a difficult math problem that refuses to make sense. Sometimes it is a new language that feels unfamiliar, a competition that tests confidence, or the quiet challenge of making a new friend. These moments may seem small to us, but to a child they can feel overwhelming. But what if we began to see them differently? What if every challenge was not an obstacle, but an invitation? Every time a child faces something unfamiliar, something extraordinary happens within them. They begin to stretch beyond comfort. They begin to discover resilience. They begin to understand that they are capable of more than they imagined. And yet, as adults, our first instinct is often to protect, to step in, to make things easier, to remove the struggle before it even begins. It comes from a sense of love for our child, but that can quietly take away the very experiences that shape strength, as strength is not built in ease, it is forged through effort. When a child tries and stumbles, something important is unfolding. They are learning patience. When they try again, they are learning persistence. And when they fail, they are not falling behind, they are learning. The real lesson is not in getting it right the first time, but in understanding that falling short is part of the journey. Trying matters more than succeeding. Effort is never wasted, and something powerful shifts when a child begins to believe this. Fear slowly gives way to courage. Hesitation turns into curiosity. Challenges no longer feel like barriers. They begin to feel like opportunities. Learning transforms from a task into an adventure. This shift does not come from the absence of difficulty, but from the presence of encouragement. When a child shares an attempt, what they need most is not judgment, but understanding. Not pressure, but support. To be asked, what did you discover? What did you enjoy? What will you try next? Because in those conversations, confidence is quietly built. And then comes the moment, the step forward, the raised hand, the attempts that once felt impossible. It may not be perfect, it may not be flawless, but it happens. And in that moment, something far greater than success is achieved. The child begins to believe in her or his inherent potential. Every great journey begins with a single act of courage. When children grow up knowing that failure does not define them, but effort does, they become fearless. Not because they never fail, but because they are no longer afraid to try. Each challenge they embrace becomes a foundation. Each effort a building block. Each setback a lesson shaping them into stronger, wiser individuals. And when we as adults choose to nurture this mindset, to raise children who approach life with curiosity, confidence, and courage, we are not just helping them succeed, we are helping them grow. And so, today I leave you with this thought. Every challenge embraced holds the promise of a stronger, wiser, and more confident child. Thank you.